Today I'm doing the unglamorous work of sweeping because it hasn't been done in a long time. What I really want to work on is my flamingo because it's been sitting over here for weeks now and it's like in my mind so close to being done and I just need to get it done and I am going to work on it, but I just like have to sweep. Like, you know, when you have a day where you're just like, I've been putting off the cleaning and just like getting things in order for way too long. I feel like I'm always talking about getting things in order because it's like never ending. But so after I sweep, then on to the flamingo. I literally have one box of yarn left to put away. It feels so good and I've been sweeping and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can actually walk around in here without running into a box. So it feels really good, and for some reason I'm sitting here instead of putting this one box away. Why am I like this? I'm finally done and it feels so good to be sitting in a pretty clean studio, as clean as it's been in a long time. And I'm just enjoying some late lunch and a poppy. And I have to go pick my kids up from summer camp pretty soon. So I think it was a pretty productive day overall. So until next time, I'm Jessica with Stay Cozy Creative Co. and stay cozy, creative, and kind.